Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about hair and how I prepared my hair for my braids. This is my first time ever getting like any type of braids. Well, I've had feeder braids before, but this is my first time getting like poetic justice style braids. But this video is all about how I prepared my hair, how I stretched my hair with no heat. I am featuring the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil collection. It's not the entire collection, but there are key products from the collection that I really needed and that I always use for my natural hair on a regular basis. My hair is not chemically treated. I am 100% complete natural, as you guys will see later on. So I use that collection in this video. This video by no way is sponsored by Shea Moisture. However, I've been using Shea Moisture for years. This is my first time getting, well, these aren't box braids, but these are triangle braids and I really like them. The only difference between box braids and triangle braids clearly are the parts are in triangles and not boxes. So that's the only difference, and I like the triangle style a lot better. I think it's like the design is like super cute. This is a really good protective style if you don't want to manipulate and touch your hair. So enough of my bambling. Let me just go ahead and just hop into this video. So for shampoo, I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. I really like this shampoo because it's sulfate free, non-stripping, and nourishing. And it's good for damaged or chemically processed hair, and it reduces breakage. As you can see, I mainly concentrate the product on my scalp versus lathering it on my strands because I feel like that's where all the dirt or buildup is. It's mainly on your scalp. So I just go ahead and just concentrate it all on my scalp, and then I let the shampoo just rinse through the hair shaft. I really liked this shampoo for my hair. It left my hair so soft and it felt so moisturizing, and I was just really happy with the results. This towel, however, is from Sally's. I think I got it for about $5.99, I want to say, but it's a microfiber towel and I love it because it doesn't strip or rip my hair, because I realize a regular towel does that and I don't want those problems. So I go ahead and take this off. As you can see, my hair really doesn't retain moisture. It's moisturized, but it's not dripping wet, and I literally just got from the sink, okay? Like, that's how low porosity my hair is, and that's fine. I've gotten used to it. So what I do is I pick up a spray bottle. I got this pink spray bottle from Sally's, and I just drench my hair in water because I feel like that's the best thing to do when putting on your deep conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Grow Treatment Mask. I really love this mask. It was very moisturizing, and reading the ingredients, it had apple cider in it. So I really liked it, and as you can see, it treats my curls very well. I loved this deep conditioner. Like, you couldn't tell me nothing. I loved it so much, and it left my hair really soft. And I recommend deep conditioning for natural people. Like, I love deep conditioning, and some products say leave it in for 15 minutes. However, I leave it in for about an hour. Yes, I do not have a plastic cap. I am using a grocery bag as my plastic cap. I mean, hey, you got to do what you got to do, sis, you know? So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. And when I rinse it out, I use cold water. I find that using cold water when rinsing out conditioner, it helps lock in the moisture from the conditioner that you really need for your hair. So I go ahead and I use super cold water, but I really like it, and this conditioner left my hair so soft. So I go ahead and take my towel off yet again, and my hair was really soft. However, this time I'm not going to drench my hair in water. I am actually going to drench my hair in this anti-breakage spray, which is from the Jamaican Castro oil collection. As you see, I'm spraying it on the ends in the mid shaft of my hair. I'm not really going into the roots because this spray helps with split ends and damage. So that is why I really love this spray, and I just drenched my hair in it. And you see my hair is parted in 4 parts, but I'm taking subsections. And this is the stretching process that I was telling you guys about. And I'm gonna go ahead and comb it out. And as you see, when I comb at the ends and work my way up. And I'm going to take a hair tie. It is not a rubber band. I recommend using a hair tie because it doesn't snag and tangle your hair. And I'm just gonna do my hair in these little pigtails. So it's gonna be 2 pigtails per section. So it's 4 sections, 2 pigtails. So I'm gonna have a total of 8 pigtails when I'm done with my entire head. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the second section in this current quadrant. And I think I'm singing a song here. I was listening to Queen Naja like the whole time I was doing this. I love her EP, by the way. So I'm gonna tighten that and secure that as much as I can so it can be stretched. And I'm gonna move on to the second quadrant, and I'm gonna repeat the same steps by spraying that spray and then doing 2 pigtails per section. So as you see, 8 pigtails, 4 sections. So what I'm gonna do now is connect the pigtails in the same section together with another hair tie. Yes, sounds like a lot, but it really helps stretches the hair. This is just my technique. I don't like using heat. I try to use less heat as much as I can. And as you can see, I went ahead and did the entire head the same way. Please don't mind that little thing at the top of my head. I had a straight piece and it was bothering me, and I went ahead and cut it. Looking back, I really regret doing that. But aside from that, this is how I stretch my hair. And I make sure that my ends are moisturized, and I get a silk scarf. If you're natural, I recommend using a silk scarf, not a cotton scarf, because the cotton scarf just absorbs all of the oil in your hair and your hair will be super dry. So I recommend using a silk scarf and a silk pillowcase. So now I'm gonna go to sleep. Hey guys, so I didn't have a chance to like sit down and actually film the results of my heatless blowout because I was rushing this morning. I had to get up and take my mom to work, so I really didn't have time. But I did take out my pigtails, my ponytails, and this is the result. So I think I did a pretty good job for a heatless blowout. However, as soon as I stepped outside, shrunk up, so she's kind of gonna have to deal with that. But I think it turned out pretty good. My hair is super soft, and I will come back with more results when my braids are done. We'll link her information so you guys can book with her and more other braiders in Birmingham. I just really wanted my braids done immediately, and she was the only one. And on top of that, actually seeing her work, I like it. So yeah, I will be back a totally different person. All right, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you have any more tips and tricks that I could probably use. This is my first time ever getting these braids, so I kind of want to switch up the style a little bit. But yes, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribing is very important. So yes, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time, and I hope you guys have a safe holiday and Merry Christmas. Bye, y'all.